Welcome to the world of seamless website customization with the BlockWheels Pro plugin. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the simple process of personalizing your website by adding and customizing a shape divider block. First, make sure the plugin is installed and activated. Once that's done, we can dive right into the customization process. Navigate to the shape divider section in your editor and click the edit button. Click the plus icon to add the shape divider block to your page. Now, the fun part: customizing your shape divider block. To adjust the top shape of your block, you can change the height and width to suit your design. Flip the shape horizontally or vertically, depending on your preference. Modify the color to align with your branding. Once you're happy with the top shape, move on to the bottom shape, where you have similar customization options. Adjust the curve, width, height, and color. You can also enable or disable the bottom shape entirely. Finally, to refine the overall look, edit the divider shape. Align margins, padding, and more for a perfect fit within your design. For a responsive preview, switch between mobile, tablet, and desktop frames to ensure your block looks great on all devices. Once you're satisfied with how your shape divider looks, it's time to publish your page. Simply click Publish and then View Page to see the final result live on your site.